Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing video of a really awesome country clock. This is a 24-inch country clock, and what I love about this clock is it goes with every interior. So let's check it out. It's absolutely a glorious, beautiful clock. Oh my goodness, I can't believe how big this thing is. This is 24 inches, and like I said, look how beautiful it is. It's a traditional clock. My first impression of this 24-inch country clock is I love the big numbers. They're bold. They stick out, they're easy to read. I don't need to be, right next to it to read it. I like how big the numbers are. I really like the design. It's very unique. It's not like every other clock out there. It has its own personality. It's perfect for, it really goes with a bunch of colors because it's a light color, so it won't clash. It'll really neutralize most home designs, I think. It's overall, it's very stylish, sleek, stylish design, and even a little bit country, definitely country, with the foliage and the numbers, and it has numeric numbers as well. So I just realized that too right here. So isn't that simply amazing? So amazing clocks CountryClocks has. Oh my gosh. So and another thing that's really cool if you order this clock is that you can claim a free wooden booklet. So in the link down below, you can go right to Amazon right now and clip the $35 coupon off on this clock right now. So that's an incredible deal. So all you have to do is clip the coupon before purchase and you will get the discount in the Amazon link below. I really like this clock, guys. It's stylish. It's pretty sleek. Check it out with link below for more information. And definitely a big shout out to CountryClocks. They have some really nice things too, so check out what they got in their store. Also, this clock is silent, so it will not disturb you in the night when you're sleeping. So I really think that's an amazing feature. It has no clicking, no sound at all. It's just simply beautiful. This is also battery operated, so it only takes one AA battery. That's pretty cool.